Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.6% against the dollar. The CCI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Europe's growing pile of spare cash now appears to be spilling over into U.S. money markets, which were already dealing with a glut of their own that's been distorting borrowing costs. Vitalik Buterin has name-dropped the Graph as a likely data storage solution in plans to revolutionize the Ethereum 2.0 network throughput utilizing highly scalable ZK rollups. Amazon has been amassing a logistics empire over the past decade and is now on track to surpass its chief rivals.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's current account balance will be released at 030 GMT, Germany's unemployment rate at 0855 GMT, Japan's construction orders at 0500 GMT. Germany's unemployment change will be released at 0855 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 1445 GMT. The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.